Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to schedule Instagram Reels. Now, this is quite a simple and easy process. Just make sure that you have a professional account. Otherwise, this option will not be available to use. How do you do that? Once you're here in your account, click on the top right corner to go into the menu section. Then you can scroll down and see an option where it says Account Type and Tools. Click on this, click on Switch to Professional Account, click on Next. Click on any category, it doesn't really matter. I'm just doing this as an example. So make sure you do what fits best for your purpose. And then as you can see here, I have a professional account now. I'll quickly refresh and then you can go ahead and, try to post a reel. I'll click on reel, select any video that I have. And then once you are happy with all the editing and all the other settings, this is the page where you will land onto. Over here, you can scroll all the way down and see this button right here. It says more options. Click on this and there you go. You can see it says here, schedule this reel. If you check that option and select the appropriate time, click on done, go back and click on schedule. Click on share and that is it. That reel has now been scheduled. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.